Alright, bro. We're taking a break from Nintendrawer. Let's go do some other stuff. Okie dokie. Oh, there's the Transformers ride. The Mummy ride. Jurassic World. Oh, so many choices. Oh. Alright. Let's go on the Transformers ride. Oh, yeah. What's next? Is it a bird robot? I don't know. There's that new one coming out. Beast Wars, I think? Oh yeah, that movie looks cool. It's a lot of pressure, Mr. Prime. Yeah, no kidding. No, don't go. We need you. Oh, that's awesome! Wow. Whew, that was intense. What do you think, bro? That was freaking awesome. You said it. Didn't we just watch you die on that ride? He's awesome. Bro, you might want to put the phone away. It's gonna get all wet. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Okay, I'll put away just a bit, okay?
Apex Predator. You are clear for entry.
Wow. I did see something huge. Wow. Okay, can you put away the phone? Okie dokie. Ew. Get your snot all over me. Uh-oh.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Does that say Dominus Rex? Yes, it does. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. It's Chris Pratt! Oh, he's a friend! Can you help us?
If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
Oh no. You didn't get the phone with, did you? No, the dinosaur did. Bro! Oh no. Hello. Hello, Predator. It's blue. Abadi, abadai, abadi, abadai, abadi, abadai. Why are you singing? It helps me stay calm and not pee my pants. Oh no! It's a T-Rex. Phew! He almost got eaten by that thing. Oh, mamma mia. So where do we go now, bro? I see. Oh, there's Super Nintendo World. Bye-bye. We'll see you soon. Okay, where are we going now, bro? We're on the Simpsons ride.
5 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no
no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie. You're fired. And leave the suit. Alright, get this thing off. Go! Keep the suit!
Present just a few of over 8,000 movies that we have been able to film and distribute over the years here at Universal Studios. And above each poster is the evolution of our Universal Studio logo. So as we make our way down the timeline, not only are we entering one of the world's largest and busiest production studios, we're also entering one of Hollywood's oldest. We opened our doors on March 15th, 1915, by that guy on your screen right there. That is German immigrant Carl Medley. Now on today's tour, we are going to be exploring Universal City. We are a city within itself, entirely dedicated to the world of entertainment. We make movies here, TV shows, commercials.
Oh no. Donkey Kong. No, it's King Kong. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Do it for Town. Do it Donkey Kong. Okay, no more dinosaurs. Okay. How about wizards? Oh. Wow. So this is what it's like inside Hogwarts. Yeah, it's very dark. Oh, I think that's the sorting hat down there. Should we get walnut or ham or poplar?
I know.
Reach $50. Never mind. Wait, where are we now, bro? Are we still at Hogwarts? What? No. This is the DreamWorks Theater. We're going to see a Kung Fu Panda show. Oh. Skadoosh. Oh, yeah.
It's showtime. Hey, lights. That could have got better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Get ready for a donkey session.
You need the Shrek and Donkey Show.
Oh, come on. I know you all can't see me, right?
If you folks can't see everybody, you can't see me.
But I'm the cutest.
I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show. Says everybody here, right?
These guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans.
Look! The helmet of Master Thunder and Rhino.
I see you, Thunder and Rhino. And raise you one talking gun.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
Hey, Mario. Yeah? Didn't there used to be a Shrek show here? I think so. It was 4D. 4D? What's that? It's like 3D, but with one extra number. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Hang on, everybody!
Weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead. Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Ow! I wish we had these in Mario Kart. Oh yeah, that'd be sick. These guys are from Fast 10 or Fast X. Yeah, you know, same thing. Oh. What?
Testing. Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my home, I am crew. Master villain, scourge of humanity. So, you want to be a minion. Your training will begin soon. But be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Just some high-density lasers. They're very, very powerful. It will not hurt me a bit. Uh-oh, we have a problem. It appears that some of you have not showered in like a week. Gross! Not naming names, but it's those guys.
Aww.
Lucky for you, I'm in a bit of a time crunch and I'm feeling generous. But you better shower when you get back to your hotel. And don't go right to the pool.
Hey, look.
The secret headquarters of Captain Slow. Now, I know it looks like a typical little kid.
Dear Rabbit, he's voiced by Kevin Hart. Oh, yeah. He's funny.
For my superhero activities. Also, it is a little kitchen. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty.
Hey, this place looks great at night. I know. Look at all the lights. Wow. Think Nintendo's ever gonna make another Mario baseball game? I sure hope so. Wow. I'm so glad we went here, bro. I know, it was so much fun. I loved it. We should go home and sleep, though. I know, I'm so tired. Oh, my feet hurt.